Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to fix Snapchat notifications. So let's begin right away. So there are three steps I can suggest in fixing this issue. First is to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. And then, second, if it still doesn't work, go to Settings and then look for notifications and scroll down until you can see the Snapchat app. So once you have seen the Snapchat app, make sure to turn on allow notifications right here. So the turn on is the color green and the turn off is the color gray. So make sure it is turned into green and then make sure to check either of these three and then you may customize it afterwards. Then again, if it still doesn't work, go to General and then click on iPhone storage and scroll down and look for Snapchat and then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app once again and then reinstall the Snapchat app in this section right here. If it still doesn't work, please contact Apple support or go to the nearest Apple or Mac center in your area. So that's it. That's how you can fix Snapchat notifications. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.